This is probably my last video for a while on this Bullet. I'm going to probably take it to my gig Saturday, tomorrow. Anyway, I replaced the tuners on this with some locking tuners, because naturally every sub 100 guitar needs locking tuners. You can get these on eBay. An outfit, I think they're called Stratosphere, sells them for somewhere around 30 bucks. The tuners that were on this Squier Bullet, when you take the back off of them, there's this screw here that I tried to tighten the poles on them, but even when you screw the screw down, you can't get the pole tightened, so there's play in the screws. These tuners are 15:1 in terms of the ratio, but they just, once you get them dialed in, they're okay. But but dialing in to get in tune, it's a little tough. So these are locking tuners. They're about the same ratio, and we'll see how these work. I think they'll be okay. And so that is $30 to the cost. Otherwise, the guitar is stock pickups, humbucker split, which you have to rewire the humbucker to get the split, which I don't think I showed that. I may have showed that in a prior video, or how you do it, but anyway. And then I've got it set up to where the bottom volume pot rolls in some serial settings for the pickups and some out of phase settings that I went over in a prior video.